Hey guys, in our previous video, we discussed how to get the capabilities and based on the runtime, based on the platform, we have discussed like how to use the return keys or the enter key. Today, we are going to continue with the Protractor framework part 5, where we are going to learn few of the mouse over concept. For example, we already discussed about the mouse over actions, all the keyboard and the mouse actions in detail in our video. So probably you can check that entire series first and then you will be get a good idea on the Protractor framework. So two things we are going to cover now. One is the mouse over and click. So as we see like on the Flipkart website, right? So if I go back to this flipkart.com, you can see that we have to click on this electronic first. I mean, we have to the mouse over and then we have to select all this stuff, right? So we have to wait until this pop-up is going to come. So maybe I cannot write this pop-up because this is not in the scope. So what we can do is we can write basic actions like mouse hover on the element or maybe mouse over and then click on that particular button. So here we have two functions. One is move to element, that is this action like mouse hover on any of the given element. And just in case if you wanted to do also the click action, we are going to write that as well. So it's going to be very easy. So what we need for both the methods, we need to pass the element and that's going to be of type element finder, right? And since it's a click action, we don't need any of the test data. So I'm going to leave with one argument. And then first what we have to do is basically we have to do the mouse action, right? So here I'm going to say await browser dot actions and then we are going to say dot move to element, that is mouse move here. So mouse move, and within this we have to pass the element as an argument, and after that we are going to say dot perform, right? Actually it's click and mouse over and click. So after the mouse over we are going to say do the click action and then we are going to call the perform. But we already discussed about this in detail that whenever we are going to use the actions class, we cannot pass the element directly. Rather, we have to use like web element, not this element finder. So I have talked about in detail. So kindly do and check that video. I'm just going to write the code very quickly. So await, and then I'm going to say element dot get web element. That's it. Very cool, right? So that's it. So we are done with our functions. Of course, we can write the expected condition. So I will just leave that to you because I don't want to spoon feed everything. So at least you can write few of the functions, right? And then we have this move to element. So just copy the code and paste over here. And instead of this click, we have to just remove this. And that's it. We are pretty much done with this function, right? So that's it for the video. And we didn't write the comments here, but definitely I will, before posting this video, I will write all the comments and I will upload all the code in my GitHub repository. Link will be in the description, so kindly check that. And in the next video, we are going to write few functions related to the dropdowns. And after that, we are going to use all this function and write a test script. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon. If you are new to the channel, kindly do the subscribe. And if you end up in liking the video, please thumbs up. And if you have any queries and suggestion, do let me know in the comments.